It is February 10th, and it is still snowing. It's really pretty. It's cold and really cold. It won't stop. Pretty great skin. Still snowing pretty hard.
We have to do all these things.
Not only is it snowing, but the wind is just really blowing hard. We all know that I love to ride around in the snow. It has been declared a state of an emergency, which means only emergency vehicles are allowed out on the road. But since my husband is a police officer and he does have to work today, I'm exempt once again from this rule. Yay for me. So we just got out of the driveway, which wasn't so easy, but now Rick's getting it off the windows so we can go to Wawa. All this for a trip to Wawa. Crazy. Okay, see ya. Yay. It is like a blizzard. Just won't stop.
Well, there are more than 100,000 people from Philadelphia and the suburbs to the shore without power. Some of them in Cape May County, served by Atlantic City Electric, have been in the dark and cold for days. Some more of them in PECO's service territory could be offline for as many as 4 days. That's the worst-case scenario from spokesman Michael Wood.
Make provisions for being without service for some time. Take other measures so that you can be safe and take care of yourself over the next few days.
Septa's buses are not running, but the regional rails are. The transit agency says the subways are in good shape and will run all night. They ask you to use the Broad Street and Market Frankford lines tomorrow morning, though they do plan to begin the rush with full service on all systems. Live in the Storm Center, Ian Bush, KYW News Radio.
Real field temperatures in the single digits.
It's just been snowing for so long now. When is it going to stop? Kids don't have school tomorrow. Again. Okay. We're going to be going to school in July at this rate.
Service is not operating. Patco's high-speed line also not operating. We'll have another update in less than 10 minutes. I'm Rich Gunning in the K1 News Radio 24-hour traffic center.
Mako Collision Repair and Auto Painting is now offering the Presidential Paint Service for only $249. Stop in and visit the collision repair shop that paints cars.
This is AccuWeather meteorologist Bob Larson. Wind-driven snow heavy at times early tonight. Total accumulation 12 to 18 inches in most areas, as much as 18 to 24 inches. Places north and west of the city, lesser amounts in South Jersey and Delaware. Very windy and cold overnight, extensive blowing and drifting snow, low 22. Some sunshine, windy and cold tomorrow, high 32. Windy cold weather tomorrow night, low 22. Well, that's AccuWeather on KYW News Radio.
Still snowing, 27 degrees here on the mall. Going down to 22 degrees, going to feel still much colder with the wind that's whipping up, coming out of the west at 25 miles an hour. AccuWeather brought to you by the Philadelphia Federal Credit Union.
Philadelphia Federal Credit Union to 1 year of college tuition for free. Find out more at pfcu.com. Fulbright College's accelerated degree program. Lifelong learning, lifelong opportunities, and lifelong relationships. Meet Jessica Earhart and the relationships she makes.
My classmates were great. 2 of them I still keep in contact. That's nice. They had a little baby shower for me. They were great support for me going
Okay,
through
this is
it.
out on the road.
In 24 months,
You can see what it's
with
like.
Albright's innovative
Not many
accelerated
cars.
degree
It
completion
is
program,
7
while you
o'clock.
continue to work. And in Jessica's case, start a family.
I mean, they helped me through the first year.
The only ones you're going to see are probably trucks.
This weekend.
Okay, we're getting through it.
Man.
News time, 7:04.
No more. That's only a couple days away.
Global warming.
Isn't it?
It really is. Because this could be quite a mess. Yeah.
Just to back up what AccuWeather's saying, the snow is starting to lessen up a little bit here as we're getting onto the Pennsylvania Turnpike. But
Gee.
still, you're talking about
I hope so.
roadways where, like, if you're talking about 202, for example, just one lane open in each direction. Visibility is still a
Yeah.
problem. And of course, now that it's nighttime, what snow is blowing and drifting is going to cause a problem as well. So you really need to try to stay off these roads tonight, if at all possible, because the bottom line is that the road crews are going to need the night, not just on the Schuylkill Expressway and the Blue Route that are closed, but on some of these other major highways to try to get them together for what rush hour there's going to be tomorrow morning. Reporting live in King of Prussia, David Benton, KYW News Radio.
And now to Cherry Hill, New Jersey, and joining us live is KYW's Mike DiNardo.
Sarah, we just pulled into a parking lot on Kings Highway, and the road surface here is snow-covered, as are the road surfaces throughout South Jersey. Road crews, much of the day, stayed ahead of the storm with plows and with whatever salting operations they have, and pretty much the road surfaces were just slushy. But during the evening rush hour, that snow came, and it came with a vengeance, and pretty much the road crews are fighting a losing battle at that point, with a couple of inches of slippery snow piled onto the road in the last couple of hours. Traction is very difficult on the roads. If you have to make a turn or a stop or start, you're probably going to slip and slide, and we've seen a lot of that. Live in Cherry Hill, Mike DiNardo, KYW News Radio.
Expecting to reopen the Schuylkill, the Blue Route, and the Vine Street Expressway tomorrow early.
I would expect that unless something changes, that before rush hour we would have those southeastern interstate roads.
Franchise Governor Rendell mentioned today one major problem developed on I-78 in Berks County, where a tractor-trailer jackknifed, stranding as many as 170 vehicles. The National Guard was at the scene, moving people off the road. Oddly enough,
That's stuck in this traffic
road where drivers were stranded during a February storm several years ago. KYW News Time 7:07.
Like playing the slots? Now we're paying you to play. At Trump Resorts, you get 50 bonus slot dollars free for signing up for
It's pretty. That's the only good thing I have to say about it, is that it is pretty.
Slots at Trump Taj Mahal, Trump Arena, or Trump Plaza. We have AC's hottest slots, and we want to get you started with 50 bonus slot dollars. Just stop by Trump One Services. Get your free Trump One card. Earn 20 tier points playing your favorite slots.
try to back
You'll
in?
receive 50 free bonus slot dollars. 25 the day you sign up, and 25 for a future visit. Slot players, you heard right. We're paying you to play. New members get 50 bonus slot dollars. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today. Only at Trump Taj Mahal, Trump Arena, or Trump Plaza. Must earn 20 tier points.
I have to secretly videotape this. My truck is stuck. And somebody would be happy if I am videotaping while my truck is stuck. Oh no. Our driveway. Complete and utter mess. This is what we were stuck in. It's just not a night that you want to be stuck. My neighbors are out shoveling. It's just so cold and windy. And heavy because it rained a little this morning. Let's see how it makes out. I think he said he's going to just pull it in instead of reversing in. He's going to get a running start. gosh. I don't want to get hit. Perfect. Yay. I love my truck.
It was open. I thought they said everything's closed.
Yeah, not Wawa. Alright, this is my backyard. The tree is actually equal with the ground now. And the snow is like up to the second thing on my fence. Wow. Crazy, crazy. My fire pit's gone.